Good evening, everyone. Today we're going to see issue of debentures from the point of view of redemption. In previous video, I told you how to pass journal entries under different case of issue of debentures. Today, it would be issue from the point of view of redemption. Debentures can be issued at par, at premium, or at discount. So debentures can be issued at face value, which is at par, or a value above the face value, which we call it as premium, and at a value lesser than the face value, which we call it as discount. So debentures can be issued at par, premium, or at discount. But when it comes to redemption is repay. So when the company promises to repay the debentures, it can be redeemed either at par or at premium. So redemption can never be at discount. Why? Because no one will invest in the company if they're going to get money which is lesser than what they have invested. Hence, redemption is at par or at premium. Now, when the company issues redeemable debentures, which means the company knows when they want to repay the debentures. The life of the debentures will be defined at the time of issue. So when debentures are issued as a redeemable debentures, the loss at the time of redemption is seen at the time of issue itself. So which means they can foresee the loss that they incur at the time of redemption. So as per the prudence concept of accounting, you need to provide for your losses if you know that it's going to come after n number of years. So here when we repay at premium. Hence, the loss that we incur at the time of repayment of debentures should be accommodated at the time of issue itself. Now there are 6 cases under this. First one. Case 1, when debentures are issued at par and redemption is also at par. So assume 10,000 debentures issued at 10 rupees each. Redemption is also 10 rupees. So which means there is no profit or no loss. At the time of issue, the journals we pass bank to debenture application for receipt of application money or the receipt of the whole sum money, and then transfer entry debenture application to percentage debentures. The same issue entry that I taught you in the last video. Next one is when debentures are issued at discount and redeemed at par. So that means issue is less than the face value, which means the lender is paying an amount which is lesser than what is being displayed in the debenture certificate. And at the time of repayment, he is going to get what is there in the debenture certificate. So, debentures are issued at discount but redeemed at par. Right? Now, discount on issue of debentures is a loss, and this also I discussed in the previous session. So, whether you term that as discount or you term that as loss, it is just one and same. So, journal entry will be bank account data to debenture application account, debenture application account data, discount on debentures account or discount on issue of debentures account data to percentage debentures. Third case, when debentures are issued at premium and redeemed at par. Issued at premium, redeemed at par. So when the company obtains money from the debenture holder, they get an amount which is more than what has been displayed in the debenture certificate, but they repay at par. Naturally, it's a profit to the company. So SPR is a reserve only. So bank account data to debenture application account, debenture application to security premium reserve account to percentage debentures. The normal entry that we pass at the time of issue at premium. Fourth case, when debentures are issued at par but redeemed at premium. So You take up the debentures at par and then you repay at premium. So that means the premium at the time of redemption is a loss which the company knows that they have to incur after n number of period. Hence, the company have to provide for this loss. So, from the point of view of issue, bank to debenture application account data, debenture application account data, 2 percentage debentures, 2 premium on redemption of debentures account. Now this premium amount will be recorded as loss on issue of debentures account. So whatever figure that you're going to write here, the same amount you write here also. Fifth case, issue at discount, redemption at premium. So issue at discount, so that means at the time of issue you make a loss because you're taking amount which is less than the face value. And at the time of repayment, that is at the time of redemption, you pay more than the face value. So it's kind of double loss. So issue entry will be bank account data to debenture application account, the receipt of debenture application money. Then debenture application account data, discount on issue of debentures account data, 2 percentage debentures, 2 premium on redemption of debentures account. The premium on redemption of debentures account will come as a loss on issue of debentures. So whatever is written in the premium redemption, the same amount will come as a loss on issue. Now, as I told you already, discount is also a loss. So why to maintain two accounts for that? Just merge them as one account. So instead of passing an entry like this, you can even have an entry like this. Debenture application account data, loss on issue of debentures account data, 2 percentage debentures, 2 premium. So this loss will contain the discount on issue of loss and the premium on redemption loss put together. Sixth case, when debentures are issued at premium and redemption is also at premium. So you issue at premium, you redeem at premium. So where is profit or loss factor here? Well, the profit or loss factor is based on the rate. If the issue premium is lesser than the redemption premium, then obviously there is a loss. Hence, the company need to make provision for such losses. So bank to debenture application to SPR, this is issue SPR, 2 percentage debentures, 2 premium on redemption of debentures, and this premium on redemption of debentures will come as a loss on issue of debentures. And in most cases, you get it like this only, where redemption premium will be more than the issue premium. So these are various cases of issues under the point of view of redemption. So let's do question number 34. I've already done it for you. So here I'm just going to explain. Pass journal entry relating to the issue of debentures. Relating to the issue of debentures. Issued 28,000 10% debentures of rupees 100, rupees 28,000 10% debentures of rupees 100 at a premium of 15%, redeemable at par. So debentures are issued at premium, redeemed at par here. Next case, issued 30,000 10% debentures, issued at 10% premium, redeemed at 15% premium. Third case, issued 80,000 debentures, rupees 80,000 debentures, 10 at rupees 100, repayable at a premium of 10%. So first one, issue at premium, redemption at par. Second case, issue at premium, redemption at premium. Third case, issue at par, redemption at premium. Let's see the journals for this now. As I said, the first one is issue at premium. Bank to debenture application will be the receipt of application money along with the premium. 28,000 is the face value, 15% premium, 4,200. Total is 32,200. So bank account data to debenture application will be 32,200. Then the transfer entry, debenture application account data to SPR account, 2 percentage debentures. which is simply the transfer entry. We received 32,200, out of which 4,200 will go to SPR, balance will go to debenture account, percentage debenture. Second case, issued at 10% premium, redeemed at 15% premium. So at the time of issue, the debenture is face value 30,000, but then issued at 10% premium. So that means they would have received 33,000, and they redeem at 15% premium. So the loss should be accommodated at the time of issue. Debenture application account 33,000, the same amount. To SPR, the issue SPR, 2 percentage debentures 30,000 rupees. This is premium on redemption of debentures, which is 15% of 30,000, which is 4,500, and this amount will come as a loss on issue of debentures. Third case, 80,000 rupees, 80,000 10% debentures issued at 100 rupees par, repayable at 10% premium. So issue at par. So bank to debenture application rupees 80,000, because it's issued at par redemption at premium at 10%. So premium on redemption of debentures will be 80,000 into 10%, that is 80,000 rupees. And this amount will come as a loss on issue of debentures, 8,000. So these are three different cases of question number 34. So next I'm going to do the 35th question for you all. Past journal entry for the issue of debentures. Rupees 40,000, 12% debentures of rupees 100 each, issued at 5% premium, redeemable at par. So issue at premium, redemption is at par. Bank, question number 35. Bank account data to debenture application account. The debentures are issued at premium here, and premium is 5%. So 40,000 is the face value. 5% of 40,000 is 2,000 rupees. So we get 42,000 rupees. Let me check the calculation. Once again, 5%. Yes. So we get 42,000. And then the transfer entry. Debenture application, account data, to percentage, what percentage? 12 percentage debentures account. To issues at premium, so SPR account. 42,000 received, of which 40,000 will go to debenture account and 2,000 is the SPR. And it is redemption at par, there is no loss there. Now case 2, so this is case A, next is case B. Rupees 70,000, 12% debentures of 100 each, issued at 5% premium, redeemed at rupees 110. So redeemed means repaid at 110 rupees per debentures. So when they repay, how many debentures are there? 70,000 divided by 100, 700 debentures. So 700 into 110, which is 77,000. So face value is 70 and they are repaying 77, which means 7,000 will be the redemption premium. Let's pass journals for this now. Bank to debenture application account. 70,000 issued at 5% premium, which is 3,500. So 73,500. Let's check the calculation one more time. 5%, yes. 73,500 rupees. Then debenture application account data to 12% debentures account to SPR account, this is the issue SPR, to premium on redemption of debentures because it's redeemed at premium. Premium on redemption of debentures. So received 73,500. 70,000 will go to debenture account 3,000 is the issue premium, redeemed at premium, which is 7,000, and this 7,000 will come as a loss on issue of debentures account, 7,000. So I've done two sums and I've explained you all the journals. Try the rest of these questions based on what you've learned. If there's any doubt, put it in the comment section. Thank you.